Yeah, you know.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7 and 8.
7 and 8.
Yes, your Lordship.
What happened?
Lordship, the conducting counsel is absent as today is the first death anniversary of his father. As such, he is absent today, the conducting counsel.
Okay.
Yes.
MS so and so.
Please, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the matter may be fixed on Monday, my lord.
Next Monday.
Yes, yes. Coming Monday.
Okay. MS so and so appears on behalf of the petitioner.
Yes, your lord.
The petitioner. And MS so and so appears for the respondent.
1 and 2.
Respondent?
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Respondent numbers 1 and 2. The counsel for the learned counsel for the petitioner prays for adjournment of the matter, citing the reason that the leading counsel is not present today in the court. Prayer is not objected by the counsel appearing for the respondent number 1 and 2. Prayer is allowed as agreed by the counsels. Let the matter be fixed on next Monday for admission.
Okay.
There was one additional affidavit was supposed to be filed.
Yes, we have already filed.
You have filed.
Yes, your lord. Lordship, there is another matter, item number 19.
Yes.
Here I am appearing on behalf of T. Game, your lordship.
Well, you were there in the case?
No, lordship. I have been instructed to take an adjournment, your lordship.
Tigame.
Yes, your lordship. Appearing on behalf of T. Game. Since he is absent due to some medical emergency, so matter will be kindly adjourned
For
after 3 weeks.
MS so and so appears on behalf of Mr. T. Game, who is leading this case. It is submitted by the learned counsel that Mr. Game could not be present in the court today due to some medical emergencies and has prayed for an accommodation of for 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed. Let the matter be fixed after 3 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
May I, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 9.
Item number 9.
9. Leading counsel is out of station.
9 and 10 are not together. Your Lordship takes.
Yes, 9 and 10 are together. Yes.
They are arising out of the same acquisition proceeding.
Right. Yes. Yes.
The only thing, I have no objection to one adjourning. But in item number 10, so we prayed for a stay of the award. The Honorable Court was granting the award. On the other side says that no, we are giving an undertaking, we will not proceed with the execution case. So that order, if your Lordship reaches or if your Lordship can pass that order.
The death order is already passed or like
that order is already there. But
already
that
there.
has to be extended.
It is extended only. Okay. So the interim stay was there. What was that?
No, my learned friend gave an undertaking that he will not proceed with the execution matter.
Okay. So whatever the order passed in that earlier order, that will continue.
The matter is already in the case of hearing. Okay. Only difficulty is now that the executive court is saying that this 6 month period for the executive court to proceed in the matter, they have to give a report. I think as per therefore the last order in the executive court, they have been directed to file an affidavit with us.
Okay.
You
filed an affidavit there.
it's not from why the matters like cannot be back together, but then the next day not be on particular.
I'm just basically in this case, not for the merit here the entire case hinges on one point first. Let other things will be decided once this is decided. The acquisition proceeding started under the Land Acquisition Act 1894. Now, in 2014, from 1/1/2014, the new Act of 2013, right to compensation came. Now, here in this case, our argument will be, that the award was passed in 2012 and approved by the government. Now, the proceeding concluded there, so 2013 Act will not come into play. And whatever further proceeding will be there, that has to be under the 1894 Act, not under 2013.
That is your argument.
That is the basic argument, and in this appeal, this is the question. Though this in the second question, it was reference was rejected on the ground of limitation. But my lord, ultimately, the same question would arise. Because my lord, they filed a reference under section 64 of the 2013 Act.
So
And
whether
but
that will be maintainable?
If 1894 Act, section 18 comes, there is a distinction between both of them, my lord. In 18, the power of condonation of is not with the collector. But in 64, my lord, 2013 Act, the power of condonation is been given in the provision.
Okay.
So, my lord, our contention is that
So moot question will be which will be
yes,
applicable?
my lord, your lordship has to decide both the questions on the first question that has to be.
That has to be decided first.
Lord, otherwise, also, my lord, I have an argument so far the my lord, question of limitation also, because they challenge that the reference court does not have the power to interfere. It is the collector. If he has already referred, the reference court has to, my lord, decide the question on merit.
On merit, no limitation.
But my lord, the apex court in 1979 has held that no, the reference court has the power, because unless and until the limitation, it is within time, my lord, the reference court will not get the jurisdiction.
Okay.
And that is the law held, and that is still valid.
Okay.
So,
So
my lord,
like, so what is to be done now? Yeah, his thing.
Usually third point.
so, my lord, if the land acquisition appeal is heard, then my lord, probably this matter will be the CRP of their matter will be decided. So, my lord, may I pray, my lord, that let the matter be fixed, my lord, if not inconvenient to others.
Yes.
23rd of September.
What was the submission? Why you don't want to do the case today?
Actually, leading counsel is out of station.
Who is the leading counsel?
Esmao.
Sorry?
Esmao. Sunil Mao.
Sonam Momo.
No, Sunil Mao is out of
Sunil Mo. Okay.
Sonam,
You are MS?
Sonam Somu.
MS so and so appears on behalf of the petitioner. And in the other case, you are not there.
No, we are.
You are not there. Other case, you are not there.
Well, in this case, my lord, we are appealing for respondent number 24.
Yes. So and so appears on behalf of learned counsel Sunil Mo, who is leading the case, who is leading the instant case. She submits that Mr. Mo could not be present today in the court due to some personal difficulties, and the matter may be adjourned till when? When do you want?
23rd of September.
Adjourned till
Your
23rd
Lordship,
of September.
23rd, it's not feasible because on that day also he won't be here. Yes, he said after 26 because in between again he's going out. After 26 he will be available. In between he is coming, but on 23rd he won't be here.
24th then? 24th?
After 26 he has instructed.
Puja holiday start.
Then the holidays will be there.
Okay then.
Let it be on 23rd or 24th or any day.
23rd, my lord. If there is any difficulty, we'll definitely.
Then we'll look into that.
Will not.
So we'll fix it on 23rd.
Okay.
Mr. K. Agarwal, senior advocate, senior counsel, appears on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2.
No, only 2.
Respondent number
One,
2,
two.
respondent number 2, NIPCO. You are there in the matter? You are not there in the matter. Only these two parties. Okay.
My state is there. Collector.
Mr. So-and-so appears for the respondent number 2, state of Arunachal Pradesh. As agreed by the parties, the matter is adjourned to 23rd of September for admission.
Admission, it is already admitted.
It is already admitted. So admission hearing, it will be disposed of for
Now let it.
for admission. So the item number 10, right?
We are the applicant.
Mr. K. Agarwal, learned senior counsel, appears on behalf of the appellant. And Mr. B. Chaudhary, B. Pathak, I'm sorry. Mr. B. Pathak, learned counsel, appears for the respondent.
1 to 70.
1 to
71.
71. Respondent numbers 1 to 71.
Collector 72.
Sorry?
For collector
Collector, yeah.
72, respondent number 72.
You write, respondent number 7, so it's appears for respondent number 72. As agreed by the parties, the matter may be fixed on
23rd.
as agreed by the parties, the matter may be fixed on 23rd September, along with CRP number 59 of 2024.
My lord, only
The order was passed on
23rd, your lord, will kindly, 23rd of July, last order.
Can I have
The
the
earlier order was, earlier,
filed it?
earlier order was passed on 7/5/2025, thereafter it was extended. I got it, my lord.
No, this is not. This is here.
In the LM. Glen Acquisition.
He's agreeing that
No, we'll do. Your lordship may record it.
seeing the order passed by this court on 7/5/2025, wherein a submission was made by Mr. Pathak, learned counsel for the respondents, respondent 1 to 71, that they will not pursue the execution, full stop. In view of the aforesaid order passed on 7/5/2025 and subsequently extended on 23/7/2025 and as agreed by the counsel of the parties, the order passed on 7/5/2025 is extended till 23rd of September 2025. In the meantime, in the execution case pending before
District Judge Alo.
District Judge Alo, an affidavit shall be filed. Affidavit shall be filed by whom? There.
1710. The award was passed on 1710.
No, that affidavit that you will file to
On
the,
No,
the matter is fixed on 28.
by the appellant will file.
Appellant will file. Appellant will file an affidavit to the in terms of what? What will be the?
The order passed by this honorable court will be bring on.
An affidavit will be filed by the respondent NIPCO in the execution code. That is that Alo that you have written, no? Alo, bringing on record the order that has been passed by this court on or before 28th of next date 28th of August, on or before 28th of August. That will do.
The order passed, not wherein the undertaking given that matter.
And that is, I have stated that this order will be placed on
The undertaking.
The stay is on my end.
Ah.
The submission of-
No, now this order will be passed by the order will be placed before the court by way of an affidavit. So I think this thing will be solved.
About the undertaking given by my side. Now the other matter is got time to get it.
It is taking some time. This 6 months period is already over. When how much time is there? October. So 23rd September, if all well, then
Start with the LM, not if the council is not there, definitely accommodation will be there. Not that, not like.
yes.
friend is not there, so we will insist on
So
that.
like 23rd, like the court will.
Make it little clear, my lord. My submission is that regarding with the undertaking.
Hmm.
Because you are in the last time, in the meantime, the undertaking given by Mr. Pathak, Learned Counsel for the so and so is extended.
No, that I have referred to two orders. So earlier 7-5 order, when the initial undertaking was given.
Makes a mention of undertaking, then it will be a little better, my lord. Because the other things are also there, my lord, in the order.
No, 1 second. Like, what was the order? 7.
Oh, 7.
No, he has clearly mentioned, Mr. Agrawal, that learned counsel that they will not pursue the execution.
Yes.
That has been.
That.
So I have referred to two orders. This thing, this 7-5, as well as the
There is
the
another
latest
order
order.
16-6 probably, my lord. My lord, civil collegiate.
No, 16-6 is not required because already I have mentioned 23-7 also.
The last order was
Yes, last order and like earlier the first order. That
First order.
both the orders I have
first
mentioned. So then,
applied.
so 23rd the matter will be fixed. Okay.
Your Lordship, I will mention one more item, item number 6.
1 second.
I'm mentioning on behalf of
Item number
item number 6.
6.
Yes, Kebam Tasso.
MS so and so appearing on behalf of Mr. Kebom Tasso, the learned counsel, appearing for the respondent. Appearing for the respondent, praise for an adjournment of the matter. What is the reason?
Actually, he couldn't come today.
Citing a reason that Mr. Kebom Tasso, learned counsel, could not be present today in the court due to some personal reasons. Mr.
For the petitioner.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Mr. R. Sona appears on behalf of the petitioner and he doesn't object to the prayer made by the respondent's counsel. There was no order, LC of execution order.
And more.
No order was passed earlier.
No, yet, law, sir.
You are APP.
I'm for the state lawsuit.
Yes. You are.
I'm for the state lawsuit.
What is
El
your
Hage.
name?
El Hage.
N. Hage, MS N. Hage, learned APP appears for the state. It is submitted by the petitioner's counsel that TCR in this matter will be required. Accordingly, the registry is directed to call for the PCR from
Registry lawsuit. Okay. From the district session.
registry is
Maybe
directed
we'll
to
do
call
it in-
for the record PCR from the which
Session-
court?
This is
Sessions, the court of the session judge, Pasighat. Let the matter be fixed. Let the matter be maybe fixed after 2 weeks. Pasighat, it will come in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Let the matter be fixed after 2 weeks.
apply.
May I, my lord?
Yes,
Yeah, my lord, I beg to mention item number 20, my lord.
item number 20.
Yes, my lord, my senior leading counsel, M14, he could not appear today, my lord.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel, appears on behalf of Mr. M. Partin, senior advocate,
Maybe fixed on Monday.
for the petitioner. He has praised the matter to be fixed on
Monday, my lord. Next Monday.
next Monday.
My lord, I'm for the respondent here.
Yes,
Yeah, I'm for the respondent here. In this matter, many adjournments have been taken earlier and there is a stay order operating. So, no further adjournment may be given. Matter may be taken up on Monday.
yes. MS so-and-so appears on behalf of
Sole respondent.
the sole respondent, and she submits that she submits that many adjournments have already been taken in this matter, and further adjournment may not be granted by this court. This court has seen the records and the matter is fixed accordingly on next Monday. And all endeavors will be made to dispose of the matter on next Monday,
25th,
Deeply obliged.
25th.
obliged.
My lordship, I beg to mention item number 5.
Yes,
Conducting council, T Tang has out of station, so list this
Miss,
matter.
item number 5.
Yes, lordship.
Who is this Okentang? Is he the same person who is the MLA? Is it?
Yes,
Huh? He's the same person,
yes.
that MLA?
Yeah.
Then I cannot take up, anyways, like this is for an adjournment only. So, Mr. So-and-so appears on behalf of
T Tang,
Mr. T Tang, the learned counsel for the petitioner. He prays for an adjournment of the matter as Mr. T Tang is absent in the court today. He's absent or he's there?
absent, out of station.
Huh?
Out of station.
As he is out of station. Prayer is allowed. Let this matter be fixed after 2 weeks.
My lordship, another mention for listing of hearing on Monday.
Hearing, there are a lot of matters are there on Monday. Hearing matter.
Yes,
What is the matter?
criminal.
Criminal petition?
Yeah.
Okay. Listed on Monday.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14.
14.
Yes, Lordship, 14.
Yes, what happened?
Your Lordship, in this case, Your Lordship, we were supposed to file objection in regards to the IA, but yet we have not filed. So some time may be given for filing of.
I have sent petition, I have no objection.
Learned, Mr. So-and-so learned counsel. Your name is
N. Kaku?
appearing for Tayum So.
No, appearing to respondent.
Or
Yes.
respondent. Sorry. Who appearing on behalf of the respondents, and he submits that an IA is required to be filed in this matter.
Yes, sure. No, they filed one
They
IA.
filed an IA, you need
Yes.
to file you need to file an affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship. They filed one IA.
Huh? They file an,
They filed an IA for.
so you
Condonation.
need to respond to that.
Yes, Your Lordship. We will file.
He submits that the petitioner has filed an IA and he is required to file an affidavit in opposition to the IA. Prayer is allowed.
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
The prayer is allowed. They release the matter after 2 weeks.
Deeply.
And Mr. So-and-so appears on behalf of the Mr. So-and-so appears
Applicant.
for the petitioner, and he doesn't have any objection to the prayer made.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 1.
May I, Your Lordship?
So it's a transfer petition.
Yes,
What
Your
is the ground?
Your Lordship. There are
Learned
total-
APP.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Or we can dispose of this matter?
Yes,
The
Your
motion stays only?
Yes, Your Lordship.
No notice may be required in this
Yes,
matter.
yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, tell me. Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. There are total number of 5 witnesses here, Anna.
Sorry?
5 witnesses in this case. All 5 witnesses have been examined already.
All 5 witnesses have been examined, but
Yeah.
IO has not.
IO has not appeared, Your Honor. So this case is pending just because the IO is not turned up, Your Honor, since 2023. And total of 14 hearings have been conducted.
One second. Total, how many hearings happened?
Total,
What is the
total
offense?
14.
What is the offense?
325 IPC.
Previous heard.
Previous heard.
And how many dates have already been passed? This case was
It
initiated on,
it-
the case started when?
2021, Your Lordship.
FIR
And-
was filed on
This is pending in the stage of PWS since September.
no, when was the charge sheet filed?
March 2021, Your Lordship.
Where is that?
Page number 16.
Page number
16.
16. Yes, after that,
Yes. And Your Lordship, both the informant and the accused person are permanent resident of Itanagar. They are presently residing in the jurisdiction of CGM UPR.
the accused,
Accused.
the accused petitioner is a permanent resident.
Yes, sir. That's it. And also the distance from Itanagar to Alo.
Permanent resident of Itanagar.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And what about the victim?
Victim also presently residing in somewhere in Itanagar, Your Lordship, but he is permanently from Lower Subansiri,
Hello,
not Alo, Your Lordship.
this is which place? The offense was committed where?
At Basar.
Hmm?
Offense was committed at Basar,
Baka in which district?
Basar, Leparada district, Your Lordship.
It's in a Baka in
Basar,
Basar.
Basar.
Basar in which district?
Leparada district, Your Lordship.
1 second. Let us go to the FIR. District Liparada.
Leparada.
Liparada.
That time, Your Lordship, it was Lower Siang. Now it is Leparada.
Earlier,
Earlier, Lower Siang.
Lower Siang.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Earlier Lower Siang, now
Leparada.
Liparada.
But the trial is pending in CGM court Alo.
Why it has gone to Alo?
This case is triable by the magistrate, Your Lordship.
Okay, chief
And
magistrate is not there in the
yes,
district.
yes.
The
Your
chief
Lordship.
magistrate has jurisdiction for how many districts here?
No, Your Lordship, the incident took place at Basar, Leparada. Your Lordship.
Huh. Then what is this
Both the
district?
both the accused and the victim.
Radadi is a district here.
Yes. Karadadi is a district.
District.
Yes.
Yes.
So like this CJM in Alo,
Yes.
he has jurisdiction over
The place in regard to this, both of the victim and the accused,
Hmm.
they were studying in an engineering college at Basar, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
That's when the incident happened, and therefore
Hmm.
the matter was taken to the police station Basar, Your Lordship. Now Basar only have a court of additional district and session judge, Your Lordship.
Okay.
And the matter with regard to CGM and sessions, district and session judges at Alo. And therefore the matter is being taken by the CGM Alo, Your Lordship.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. And also Your Lordship, distance between Itanagar to Alo is more than 360 kilometers, Your Lordship. And it takes the accused to 2 to 3 days to travel from Itanagar to Alo, attend the
And
trial and
how
come back to Itanagar.
many dates have been taken?
2 to 3 days.
Hmm?
2 to
No. How many hearings happened? I mean, like, is the trial. In the trial, how many dates have been taken?
Since
The
2000,
trial started
20
when? Charge sheet was filed on
2021, Your Lordship.
2021. So matter is going on after 2021.
Yes, Your Lordship.
At page number 19, your lordship will see that the charge was framed on 30 March 2023, your lordship.
Okay, charge was. Charge was framed in 2023 only.
Yes,
Page number 19. Okay, which date?
30 March 2023, your lordship.
33/2023. Yes. Yes, so you are submitting that four PWs has, the deposition of four PWs have already been recorded.
Yes. Your
IO
Lordship.
hasn't been recorded.
Yes, Your Lordship. And it is very difficult for the accused to travel such a long distance, Your Lordship. Petitioner
But
has-
is there a ground for transfer of the matter?
Uh,
Can you show me any law on this? What is there in the CRPC?
Yes, Your Lordship. Section 447, subsection C says that
447, yes, 447. Yes,
yes, Your Lordship. Section 447, subsection C says that an order under this section is required by any provision of this Sanhita or will tend to the general convenience of the parties, Your Lordship, or witnesses, or is expedient for ends of justice.
but general convenience of the parties.
Yes,
Not
Your
only
Lordship.
because only for you. It's about the where the incident happened, where the witnesses are located there, because incident happened there. Then the victim is also probably not from a different place.
In this case, Your Lordship, victim has already been examined. This transfer will not is not going to affect the.
Victim is already examined.
Yes, Your Lordship. So transferring the case from ALO to CGM UPI will not affect the informant, Your Lordship.
But IO has to come here from there.
IO is it is not certain that IO is still there or not, Your Lordship.
He may be in a different place. That's a different matter. But
It was only on 22/05/2024, Your Honor. A report was received informing that the IO is attending training on new criminal law, Your Lordship. After that, IO has not. After that, that also IO has not turned up. And the last PWS was examined on 4th September 2023, Your Lordship.
last witness was examined.
4th September 2023. The case is pending since then, Your Lordship.
What was the date? You said 20?
4th September 2023.
4th September 2023. What are you doing presently? You have passed out your engineering. What college? What where are you studying?
I don't exactly know the occupation of the petitioner, Your Lordship, but he has a family.
He was a student at that point of time. Right?
Yes, Your
He
Lordship.
was studying in
He
Boston.
was
And
studying
then
in
there was some fight happened and like he pressed up somebody and somebody got
injured.
injured.
Yes, Your Lordship.
The case is going on there.
Yes, Your Lordship. Now the petitioner has a family here, Your Lordship, and a 5-year-old son also. He is studying in UKG in Itanagar, Your Lordship. And it is very difficult to leave his family for 2 to 3 days, Your Lordship.
And distance between Alo and Itanagar is
More than 360 kilometers, Your Lordship.
so you have any ratio or any case law?
No, Your Lordship, because this,
Only relying on the section.
yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the petitioner would be very much relieved if his case is transferred to UPI, Your Lordship.
Starting off of criminal cases are not done in usual course. It has to be some exceptional circumstances.
Yes, sir.
You have to make out you have to really make out a case of exceptional circumstances wherein this can be done. So otherwise, whole machinery becomes coupled down. It's here and there. So because IO will be there, the case is going on there, the whole thing has to be transferred there. Lot of difficulties. So and like for one district to another district, it is not done in usual course. So in exceptional circumstances, your only ground is that get traveling difficulties.
Yes, Your Lordship. And even the IO is not turning up, Your Lordship. That's it. That is why.
Cases are transferred from this district to this district, then the whole mechanism will fall. Can't be done like that. Only thing is that what you are submitting is that your traveling difficulties as well as the matter is in kind of a status quo position.
Yes, Your Lordship. Exactly. Yes, Your Lordship.
Hasn't progressed much.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, I have heard you. What about you?
Your Lordship, I'll just like to clarify, Your Lordship. As has been submitted that it takes 3 to 4 days to reach Alo, it's absolutely wrong, Your Lordship.
No,
Distance between Itanagar and Alo is 297 kilometers, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I also belong from the particular district, Your Lordship. It takes, if I drive, it takes 7.5 an hour to reach Alo, Your Lordship. And if you go by any other transport means like
So it will not take more than 9 hours
Yes, and-
maximum.
Yes, also there are two pathways, travel ways. One from one path, if is blocked by any landslide, there is another way also, which also the road is good, Your Lordship. You easily reach by maximum of 9 hours if there is any delay whatsoever, Your Lordship. Now the other part is, Your Lordship has seen that the charge was framed in the month of March 2023. Subsequently, all the statements of all the witnesses has been completed by September 2023. Your Lordship. Now, if I may take Your Lordship to page number 30.
Page 30.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship will see down below.
So he is this accused is not present.
He has never been present, Your Lordship. There is an NBW issued since 2023, Your Lordship.
When?
Since 2023.
Yes.
Your Lordship will see next page is also on 10/10/2023 NBW. Then in the month of December 2023 NBW. Even here, Your Lordship will see on 1st of 2024 he was present.
First of?
Not first. 30 of January 2024.
30th of January 2024.
He was present. Then he was present on March 13 by 2024 by his counsel. On 23/4/2024, the counsel of the petitioner herein has stated that he had wrongly entered into the diary the date of the case, and
So ultimately he is not there.
he is not there. Again on 22/5/2024, Your Lordship will see accused.
He is present.
This. Thereafter 16/7/24, he is absent. Thereafter, 29/8/2024 is absent. 25/10/2024
He is absent.
absent. 12/12/2024, both the PDC and the accused is absent. 25/2/2025, he is absent. 23/6/2025, absent.
Yes.
And the ground that on 18/8/2025, the PO was absent. Your Lordship is well aware that a program was held, Your Lordship, including the inauguration of the building as well as the Silver Jubilee, Your Lordship. All the POs of all the courts had attended the ceremony. Therefore, on 18/8/2025 was the only delay is caused.
18/8/2025, we only, they were not there. So that cannot be a ground. You have taken a ground on that also.
Now, Your Lordship has rightly pointed out that for a case to be transferred, he has to at least prove that there is impartial and.
I mean, he's a young person. What is the difficulty in traveling for 8 hours?
Your
We have been-
Lordship,
we have been traveling
he has
We have been
family
traveling for
also.
7 hours to attend this court.
Your Lordship, the petitioner has a 5-year-old son, school going son, Your Lordship. And the petitioner,
You can file a petition on this thing also, no? For dispensing with your presence.
and yes, Your Lordship, NBW has been issued. This is the exact reason that I have filed this petition, Your Lordship. Because it is.
No, you don't have any ground. I have heard both of you. I'll keep it, I'll pass the judgment, detailed judgment of this.
Record may be called, at least record may be called, Your Lordship.
All the records are here. All the records are here. See, all the records are here. You have all given all this. What more records you want? You tell me if there is any more, anything else which will be really relevant for adjudication of the matter. Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing on behalf of, appearing for the petitioner, and also heard MS Genie for the respondent, learned APP for the respondent number 1. This is an application under section 447 of BNSS for transfer of GR number 76/21 in connection with Basar Police Station case number 18/18 under section 325 of the IPC, pending before the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate Court, Palo, West Siang District. It has been agreed. It has been agreed by counsel for both the parties that this matter can be disposed of at the motion stage itself. This court, after looking into the matter and contents, as well as the documents annexed in the petition, is of the considered view that this matter can be disposed of at the motion stage itself. I have heard I have heard the counsel for both the parties at length. The case is reserved for judgment. Okay, I'll pass the order in 1 or 2 days.
Clear.
I just wanted to refer some cases. That's why I'm keeping it for CAV, so that I can pass a detailed order.
Yes.
Your Lordship, if I may just give a citation of.
You have any citation?
I'll just rely on, if I may just give 2006.
2006
SSC.
SSC
204, Your Lordship.
204.
Your Lordship.
You have the
It starts
party's
from-
name?
It starts from paragraph 7. It's Abdul Nazar Madani versus State of Tamil Nadu.
Para 7.
Para 7.
Abdul Madar.
Abdul Nazar Madani. Because
Versus state of
Tamil Nadu. It more specifically speaks about 447C, Your Lordship, the part of convenience. PPO.
Much appreciated.
Item number 2.
That has been filed with a limited priority. Which was before this still just NDPS sponsor. This
See, instead of this security deposit,
Yes,
Uh,
indemnity bond minor.
limited
Yes.
generally that is done.
Yes, Your Lordship. In fact, Your Lordship, this is the first time this kind of case has come before this honorable court. Normally, Your Lordship, when Jimma is not given, then it was challenged. But here is a case, Jimma is given, but security has been taken. And normally, Your Lordship, it is for securing the production of the seized property. Yes, Your Lordship. When it is not produced, then he will undertake that he will pay certain amount to the court. So it should be, in my humble understanding, Your Lordship, I've gone through the 3-4 judgment of this Sundarbai Ambalal.
Yeah,
Desai case.
you have the copies of the judgment?
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
You give me the judgment copy
Yes,
of the
Lord.
judgment.
This is Your Lordship Sundarbai Ambalal Desai petitioner versus State of Gujarat. Yeah, my Lord. Here, actually, Your Lordship, the main issue in this case was, Your Lordship, regarding under section 451 and during the pendency of the investigation, Your Lordship, or during the trial, whether the court has the power to release and when it can be released and how to release, Your Lordship. That was deal with.
Correct.
So, Your Lordship, may kindly come to para 17, Your Lordship. So there, Your Lordship, the what conditions, Your Lordship, can be imposed has been laid down, Your Lordship. May I read, Your Lordship? In our view, whatever be the situation, it is of no use to keep the such seized vehicle at the police station for a long period. It is for the magistrate to pass appropriate order immediately by taking appropriate bond and guarantee as well as security, Your Lordship. Here also, Your Lordship, security term is emphasized by the apex court. But, Your Lordship, when bond is taken, Your Lordship, then that will suffice as a security, my Lord. And for return of the said vehicle, if required at any point of time, this can be done pending hearing of the application for return of such vehicle. And now, Your Lordship, this is of the High Court judgment considering this Ambala by matters also been considered. So I have not come across, Your Lordship, any of the judgment where it says the security amount has to be deposited. So
This court has the inherent power.
yes, Your Lordship. Yes, sir. And Your Lordship, because of their limited prayer, Your Lordship, I am not objecting on the maintainability because they have not challenged the Jimma order. In their certain condition, just condition they have.
It was a peculiar circumstance.
Yes, exactly. So it fall under the exceptional circumstances where 528 can be exercised. But if Jimma was reject, supposedly, then it should be revision, my Lord. Not, yes, exactly, Your Lordship. Now this is the, Your Lordship, the Odisha High Court judgment, my Lord. There are 13, my Lord. Here, Your Lordship, interestingly, Your Lordship, here in this case also the incident, the allegation was of NDPS case, my Lord. And Your Lordship, in NDPS case, there is no provision for releasing of Jimma and all, Your Lordship. So it has to be dealt according with the CRPC or the BNSS, my Lord. There are 13, my Lord.
13.
Yes.
You have the page number?
Yes, my Lord. Page number. Page number, my Lord, 24, my Lord.
24.
Second last page, my Lord.
Yes, yes.
May I read, my Lord?
Yes.
On consideration of the submission of the learned counsel, the provision of 451 and 457 of the CRPC and section 51 of the NDPS Act and the decision of the Supreme Court in the Biswajit De, my lord.
Yeah, this is the main case.
Yes, your lordship. This case, I will rely. I am done with this case also. There is no specific bar restriction under the provision of the NDPS Act for return of any seized vehicle used for transportation, narcotic, drug, or psychotropic substance in interim, pending disposal of the criminal case. In absence of any specific bar under NDPS Act and in view of section 51 of NDPS Act, the court can invoke the general power under section 451 and 457 of the CRPC for release of the seized vehicle pending final decision of the criminal case. The court has its discretion to release the vehicle in the interim, but the power has to be exercised in accordance with the law in the fact and circumstances of each case. Now, this part, your lordship. If the court decides to exercise its discretion to release a vehicle during the pendency of the criminal case, suitable condition has to be imposed to ensure its identification and production during trial and with embargo on its sale and or transfer till conclusion of the trial and for submission of a specific undertaking for production of such vehicle. So here also, your lordship, it doesn't pointing on regarding the security deposit, my lord. So now, your lordship, last this one is the Biswajit De case, my lord.
This is the para.
My lord, Biswajit De, or this was, or Biswajit De, my lord. This was the present one. Present one is para 13, my lord.
Para 13.
Yes.
So where this is the.
Yes, your lordship, here. Para 36, my lord. After discussing, your lordship, the provision of 451, 457, ultimately the condition was, your lordship, laid down in para 36, my lord. The 2 second last page, para 36, my lord.
Yes, yes.
May I read, my lord?
Yes.
Consequently, the present criminal appeal is allowed with the direction to the trial court to release the vehicle in question in the interim of supervisory after preparing a video and still photographs of the vehicle and after obtaining all information documents necessary for identification of the vehicle, which shall be authenticated by the IO, owner of the vehicle, and accused by signing the same. Further, the appellant shall not sell or part with the ownership of the vehicle till conclusion of the trial and shall furnish undertaking to the trial court that he shall surrender the vehicle within 1 week of being so directed or pay the value of the vehicle determined according to the income tax law on the date of its release, if so ultimately directed by the court. So, your lordship, if he failed to produce, then yes, your lordship, the valuation of the vehicle has to be considered when at the time when it is released. Then, your lordship, the bonds has to be signed and giving undertaking that if I fail to produce the vehicle, then so and so amount I will liable to pay. So only to that extent, your lordship, it can be modified.
Correct. I'll do it. And like how much indemnity bond?
That's now per mobile 15,000. It will do as it is just in place.
Just in form of bond, my lord. That's it.
In place of.
So in place of the security money, that the bond will.
Yeah, indemnity bond. That's much.
Heard, Mr. So and so for the petitioner. Also heard, Mr. T8A, learned APP for the respondent. Matter is heard and concluded. The judgment and order will be passed accordingly. So I'll pass the order.
Yes, sir.
Immediately.
Yes, sir.
The judgment is reserved. You can write judgment and order is reserved. First, we can.
Malad, I am sorry, Malad.
Deeply obliged.
Malad, I am sorry, Malad. I'm mentioning item number 4, Malad. Since my learned brother is showing some urgency in personal difficulties, Malad. In this case, Malad, only notice to go, Malad. So, Malad, at this stage, may I
let the matter come at 2 o'clock.
Malad, he is showing urgency, Malad.
2 o'clock will take.
Malad.
1 second.
Matter number 3.
Yeah, please allow it. My lord, this is criminal petition under 528 of the DNS. My lord, all here we have 5 petitioners
Yes,
of the arising out of same. My lord, may I take your lordship to page 122? This is the copy of FIR.
page.
Page 122. 122 is a copy of FIR.
Yes,
To know the case below, I want to read out the
yes, please.
content of FIR. Officer in charge of Tanagar Police Station, subject for information report. Sir, with due respect and
It was lost on,
Below,
it was dated, FIR dated,
it
when it was
was
lost?
7/10/2024.
7/10 to 7/10. Yes.
Here, my lord, content of the
Hmm.
FIR is that, my lord. I, Srimurti Tengia Yana, wife of so-and-so, D sector is Tanagar, operator of MS Document Enterprise, which is a class 1 path, best Tanagar. 2. It is in the month of June 2024, I was approached by a person which introduced himself as Haris Shankar Pandey, telephone number so-and-so, who said me that he and his
Team of brokers.
team are brokers, he provide donation to NGO. He further
Stated that
stated that he will get my NGO a donation of rupees 18 crore. 18 crore, which I will have to give the company back 12 crore, and rest of the money can be used by us. At first, I denied to partake in the agreement, but he insisted, and finally I
relented
relented
and
and
asked.
asked one of my relatives who ran a NGO by name of Sang Leng Multipurpose Cooperative Private Limited about the same, and my relative agreed to do so. Given that I agreed to partake in the said agreement, there are 3 minutes. In the month of April 2024,
August.
August 2024, Harik Shankar Pandey came to Tanagar. He told us that the company which will finance us is ready, and asked us for rupees 250,000 for paperwork. I accordingly transfer rupees 250,000 to the account number of the Kumari Renu, who is claimed to be his wife. Account number so and so on 22/8/2020. He then told that we have to make a demand draft of rupees 12 crore in the name of one MS Smart PSP Private Limited, AC number so and so, HDFC Bank, and once the money is transferred into our NGO account, in the company will give us NOC, and then we will collect the demand draft accordingly. However, the money never come to our account, and hence we got the said demand draft cancelled. He then told us that some technical issues has happened, and hence the money could not get drawn. He then left for Varanasi, from where he said he belongs. Then Parapur Milor, again on 22/9/2024, Hari Krishna Pandey, along with another accomplice who introduced himself as Mohavir Shah, phone number so and so, representative from the company, arrived at Itano. We booked their tickets and closed as Manager 1, and upon their arrival, they told me that this time they have been given the green light from the company and license, and hence the representative has also been sent. I was asked to prepare 3 DDs of rupees 4 crore 90 lakh by DD number so and so, that 25/9/2024, in favor of Plural Enterprise, and rupees 4 crore 90 lakh DD number so and so, that 25/9/2025, in favor of the MSIK Shoivam and Son, and rupees 2 crore 20 lakhs DD number so and so, that 25/9/2024, in favor of Jasmine Black Gold. But as agreed before, my confirmation, the original instrument will be kept with me, and on the on the confirmation of the project, same will be handed over them. Both Mahavir Shah and Hari Krishna Pandey stayed at Itanagar while the DD was being prepared. After prepare of DD, my staff sent a photocopy of DD to Mahavir Shah and asked him to now facilitate the transfer of amount in the DD account. However, both of them abruptly left on 27/9/2024 with Hari Krishna Pandey saying that his wife had suffered a heart attack and he has to leave. Since then, they give mobile number of another company executive who introduced himself as Prabhakar Tiwari, telephone number so and so too. He told us that the money will be credited in a week or so. However, even after waiting for the last 11 days, no confirmation was received from them, and as such, I went to the bank on 5/10/2024 for cancellation of aforesaid bank draft, as original instrument was with you. But to my utter shock and surprise, it was learned that 2 of the draft bearing number and bearing number so and so already been withdrawn by them from the bank at Meghalaya and Imphal and Imphal. And on 30/9/2024 and 1/10/2024 respectively, and only able to cancel the draft number Iman. This thus sitting me a sum of ₹7 crore 10 lakhs. This is the allegation. This allegation is made to the Pandey and the Mahavir. Now, my lord, this case was registered as Itanagar cyber crime case number 183/2020.
Yes.
Then, my lord, these alleged persons were arrested or investigation is going on. Then, in the course of investigation, the son of the present complainant has filed one jima before the Ladet Judicial Magistrate First Class at UPia. The matter involved is the case money. So the police investigation team, they have recovered some monies by tracking from the concerned bank. So therefore, my lord, on filing one jima, which has been registered as jima number 32 of 2024.
Where is that?
That is, my lord, 136, page 136, last page.
He is the son of
He is the son of the informant, the complainant.
informant.
This is, my lord, Bengia Sunday.
Filed a
Filed the
JIMA application.
jima application number 32 of 2024, under section 497, read with section 503 of the NSS. Sri Bengia Sunday versus State of
So what happened?
Here, my lord, may I read the order matter. This is order dated 21/11.
No, I have seen that order that this account was earlier frozen, and that account was directed to be released.
Yes. Here it is, based on the police report. Here, while taking up this matter, my lord,
Police report means final police report.
no, not final police report.
What was that?
This is an only police report submitted when this JEMA was filed. The concerned magistrate has called for police report. Whether the JEMA was rightly claimed or not. To
Yes.
verify that, I
Yes.
have sought for a report from concerned police station.
Yes.
While hearing this petition, JEMA petition, my lord, we all five present petitioner was not the party. Because we are not connected to the present complainant. We are different person, we are not involved in this crime.
How do you say so? Why-
My lord-
no, no,
my
no,
lord-
no, no, let me understand the facts.
Facts is that
You people were nowhere there, right? In the
Yes.
FIR.
we are nowhere, my lord.
You were nowhere there in the FIR.
Yes.
How come from where your involvement has come into this case?
My involvement is only, we have been affected by this JIBA order only.
Why?
Because we don't-
You are a stranger to this case then.
Yes, it's, no, no.
You tell me how you got linked with this case. Because you, who are you? You five persons, petitioners, you all are residents of Manipur.
Yes.
So how have you got linked to this case?
My lord, first of all, petitioner number 1 has operating a bank account at Axis Bank.
He's operating a bank account at Axis Bank.
Axis Bank Impal branch, this is Tangkul Bazaar.
Okay.
Then, my lord, this petitioner number 1 has their own business with MS Semi Enterprise.
MSME enterprise is,
Enterprise.
enterprise is named in FIR.
No. Not name in and this petitioner number 1 is doing subcontract work with the semi-enterprise. And that proprietor, how I'm coming to this affected,
Picture,
this is indirect case, my lord. Semi-enterprise from the,
In the FIR, there are some allegations that money has been transferred.
Yes.
Some money has been, one DD has been transferred in Meghalaya.
Yes.
And one in.
and one is in Impal, withdrawn in Impal.
Withdrawn in Imphal.
Yes.
So one is in Meghalaya, Bank of Meghalaya.
One is in the Impal money.
Yes.
Then
Yes.
this is about the, my lord,
So one in Imphal and one in Meghalaya.
one in
So
Meghalaya.
you are somehow linked to the Imphal account.
I have been brought affected by that impugn order in Impal.
Which impugn order? Impugn order is passed by this Jimba application.
Yes, Jima application.
What is there?
Jima application said that, my lord,
It only says that, see, report submitted by IO of the case states that complainants and so is the rightful owner of the frozen amount. Whose account is this?
this is the account of the complainant.
So complainant's account was freezed.
No. Our account has been free.
Your
account of one, my lord, that one Jasmine Black Gold and the account of one MSIK Soibam has been freezed there
in Imphal.
In Impal on the report, on the police report disclosement.
No, I'm not understanding it. Like, see, this Bengia Sunday is the son of the complainant.
Yes, complainant.
And complainant resides in Arunachal.
Yes, resides.
Correct.
But
now there is an allegation that 2 DDs have been fraudulently withdrawn. One from Meghalaya and one from Imphal.
Yes.
So one from Meghalaya and one from Manipur, Imphal. Now, who are you people? And how and which is this frozen amount that has been released?
My lord, we own.
You are doing own business. I understand. I also do, like just hypothetically, somebody is doing business in Imphal. How he's got linked to this matter?
And then, my lord, why we are affected is that we are doing own business. Then this money is withdrawn from the Impal.
Which money is yes, that DD money is withdrawn from the Imphal. Correct.
Yes.
Correct.
So withdrawn from the Impal. That this is, my lord, Black.
No, withdrawn from Imphal from the account of the complainant.
Just
see, the DD was submitted in Imphal and the money has been withdrawn fraudulently from the account of the informant. Isn't it?
My lord, as per this police report, may I take your lordship the police report?
Yeah, police report.
That is page 124. And like that 22.
Page 124.
Yes, page 124.
Yes.
My lord, forwarding of IO report.
Page 124. I report. Yes.
Itanagar Arunachal Pradesh Police Station FIR number 183 of 2024 under Section Suspect to this. I, SI Samuel Lupo, investigating officer in the case, humbly submit that IO report is directed by the Honorable Court for your kind intelligence and necessary action. 1. that the complainants of Mr. Dongya Sunday has been defrauded of a total sum of 7 crore 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs as established during the investigation in the present case. 2. That pursuant to a thorough and diligent investigation conducted by the investigation agency, an amount of rupees 3 crore 20 lakhs 45,759 has been traced and frozen across the multiple bank accounts. The project account constitute the misappropriated funds directly linked to the offense committed in the instant case. That the detailed particulars of these project accounts along with the corresponding amount and related demand draft are annexed here to as Annexure 1 and Annexure 2 for the comparison of the Sunburn. That investigation has conclusively established that the project amount is
We come to 126.
minor.
Which is your accounts?
Here, my lord,
See, these are the accounts wherein,
yes,
as per the investigating agency,
yes,
have fraudulently withdrawn money
yes,
or deposited.
yes,
Correct.
correct.
They trace this, this fraudulently withdrawn money to these accounts.
Yes.
So which is your account?
Here, your lordship, this is Annexure 1 is not that much clear, but then this amount, that amount has been transferred.
No, you tell me which are your accounts.
My account, your lordship, will find in.
You are 5 applicants,
fine.
so you must be having
Yeah.
5, 6 accounts. Which are those accounts?
This is your lordship, kindly turn to page 128.
128.
Yes. Here, my lord, Annexure 2,
Annexure 1, you are not there.
not there.
Huh?
Not there. ma'am.
Annexure 1, you are not
Not,
there.
no, I am not there.
Okay, Annexure 2,
Annexure 2, lordship may kindly see serial number 3.
serial number
Serial number 3.
3.
Yes.
Serial number 3 is SBI Terra Bazar branch.
Yes.
Ayakpam Ongbi
Yes.
and Premavata Devi.
I am here 3323681709069 is my account. I am the beneficiary.
Yes, this is your account.
This is my
This is your account.
this is
And,
my
and,
this is
and,
my
and
account.
amount transferred
Amount transfer
from
from
Jasmine
MS Jasmine
Black
Black
Gold.
Yes. Jasmine Black Gold is here in the Annexure 1 million. An investigation find out that this seated money has been withdrawn, shifted to debit
Yeah,
to
Jasmine Black Gold is there in
Yes.
FIR.
yes, yes, in
Huh?
the, not there in the fire.
So, Jasmine Black Gold is in Annexure 1. Where is that? Jasmine Black Gold? Yeah, that page 127.
120.
So, Jasmine Black Gold.
And then my lord,
No,
another
one second. See, amount transferred from MS Jasmine Black Gold.
Hmm.
So money has been transferred from Jasmine Black Gold
Hmm.
to all these accounts.
all this account.
All these accounts, correct?
All
In
this-
Annexure 1.
Hmm.
And how come this Jasmine Black Gold is transferred from? You come to page 127.
Yes.
So they have an account in State Bank of India, right?
Yes.
In Meghalaya, Jaintia District Hills.
Hmm.
So Jasmine Black Gold, amount transferred from Jasmine Black Gold to Jasmine Black Gold, how can it can happen? I mean, the message Jasmine Black Gold has transferred 20 crores of rupees to this account. Yes.
Yes, 20 lakhs.
20 lakhs, so
Hmm,
2 crore 20 lakhs.
Ah.
2 crore 20 lakhs to its account situated in State Bank of India in Meghalaya.
Hmm.
Then amount transferred from Jasmine Black Gold has also transferred money to your account. It's 2 lakh something.
2 lakhs.
2 lakhs 11 rupees.
Ah.
Number 3. Then
Then number 4, madam.
number 4.
129.
Number 4 is also one of the petitioner. Number 5.
Petitioner number 2.
Petitioner number 2.
Yes.
T2, and this one is T1.
Ah.
So, Premavati Devi,
Pemavati Devi is petitioner number 5, madam.
5.
Yes.
Okay. Then his petition number 2. Then which are the other things?
Petitioner number 2. This also same thing.
The petitioner number 2.
Petitioner number 2.
Petitioner number 2 is Manik Kumar Variety Store.
No. Again here, madam, Manik Kumar Variety Store. Manik Kumar Variety Store from Jasmine to Manik Kumar. My lord, here, Jasmine is the Alice.
I understand. Now Manik Kumar Jasmine has transferred money to certain account. Right?
Yes. That's
So which are your accounts? Which are your petitioner's account?
petitioner.
Petition number, no, see, you have petition number 5 is fine.
Yes.
That's serial number 3.
Yes.
Then serial number 4 is owned by whom?
Owned by my lord, by petitioner number 2.
Petitioner number 2.
Yes.
And he's the owner of Manik Kumar Variety Store.
No. He's the worker. He's the my lord, employees of the Manik Kumar store.
But the account is in his name.
Account is this, my lord, in beneficiaries. Beneficiaries, that is 730.
No. This account, petitioner number 2 is who? Petitioner number 2,
Number Talkelapam Baba Singh, my lord.
Bobo Singh.
Yes.
So Bobo Singh is the Manik Nagar Variety Store owner.
Yes, madam. Yes. And
Then petitioner number 3, which is the account?
it's not number 3. Number 3 is, my lord, serial number 19, page 133.
Page 133.
Madam.
Serial number 19. Okay. Number 3. Then
my lord,
petition number 4.
petitioner number 4's account is not reflected, not involved in this. No any findings from petitioner number 4. But
Then how come you have the money has gone from you?
my lord, in that Jasmine Enterprise, what we are referring
Okay,
to,
petitioner number 4 is not there. Petitioner
Not
number
there.
5
petitioner number 5 is already we have.
already we have.
And 12, serial number 12 is petitioner number 1.
Serial number 12.
MS Sami Enterprise.
12 is not.
131 million.
Yes, 131. 12 is petitioner number 1.
Number 1.
Okay.
My lord, this is
And petitioner number 5, how he is agreed? Then his name is not there. His account name is not there.
petitioner number 4.
No,
Petitioner number 4 is the, my lord, petitioner number 4 is the, my lord,
See, certain money has been, no, certain accounts were freezed during investigation. And by this order, this
On inquiry, the petitioner number 4 come to know that her account was put on hold in connection with the PS case number 183 of 2024. And in light of the order dated 21/11/2024 passed by the legislature first person here in the my application number so and so, Sri Vengia.
So, IK Swebam.
Yes.
So IK Swebam's account should be here.
IK Soivam's accounts are also there in the police.
No, petitioner number 4 is, petitioner number 4 is. ICOM, petitioner number 4 is ICOM property. You said petitioner number 5, you're confusing. See, petitioner number 5 is not, petitioner number 5 is Aikbam Ongbi Premavati Devi. Right? So her account is there, petitioner number 5. Then petitioner number 4 is, petitioner 4 is from Premavati Devi, not 5. Petitioner number 4 is already there. Petitioner number 4 is Premavati Devi.
Yes. ICOM Premavati Devi.
Correct.
Petitioner.
Then petitioner number 2 is Bobo Singh, Manik. That Manik Kumar variety store.
Yes.
Petitioner number 2. Then you said petitioner number 1 is semi-enterprise. Petitioner number 1 here is Binayak Singh.
Vinayak Singh.
He is the owner of semi or what?
Vinayak Singh. Vinayak Singh is a subcontractor with one Jasmine Black Gold.
That may be, but like this is his account. His enterprise is semi-enterprise.
His enterprise is not.
You said he is petitioner number 1.
Yes.
That's serial number 12, 131.
Vinayak Singh.
No, you are not sure which account is whose account.
The account of petitioner number 1 is page 40.
Huh?
Account of petitioner number 1 is page 14.
Petitioner number is page 140.
40.
140 is not the
40.
40. No, I'm talking about the list. That list, where is your account? That's what I wanted to know. Because I'll have to check now whether these accounts really where they are linked and whether from these accounts that PO has given a report, IO has given a report, police report saying that these accounts were linked to that fraudulent withdrawal and this money can be traced back to those accounts and that's why these accounts have been released. Now, if you do not tell me which are the accounts, then how do I find out?
Petitioner number 1's account is Millard as per IO's report 131 Millard. 131 at serial number 12.
131 serial number 12, petitioner
Yes.
number 1.
Yes.
Okay, so petitioner number 1, I got it. Petitioner number, now what about petitioner number 2, I got it. Petitioner number 3, where is that?
Petitioner number 3, page 133 at serial number, my lord, 19.
Petitioner number 3, okay, petition number 4,
Petitioner number 4.
4 we got it. Petition number 4 we got it. Petitioner number 4 is page number 128, serial number 3. And what about Hanarina Akpam, page petition number 5? Where is the statement? Or you can show me from the PO's report. PO's report, nothing is that annexes are there only, no? That statement whether you have made
I have made in para,
para
that is in page 118.
para 18.
No. It will be. Seven moment. Para 7.
Para 7 years.
Yes.
Account holder,
Account of so and so, Tera budget, this also, madam.
Tera Bazar Bank.
But she's a student studying in final year at Testu University.
Account number 42 so and so. Where is this is in the list? The petitioner number 4's account, 5's account, where is that? In PO's report, where is his account? Tera Bazar branch.
This is not mentioned in the police report, madam. It's not number 5.
Huh?
It's not number 5, not mentioned.
And if it is not mentioned, how come his account is also seized?
It's not number 5, my lord. How he come to his account has been withheld held by the banks. I have therefore make a party to the bank here as a respondent. Respondent number 326 are the bank. My lord. Then this money, 95,000 was deposited to
Okay,
the
okay, like,
accounts of the lord.
it was very, it's not properly anymore. What do you have to say on this?
Lordship, actually, first of all, Lordship, I'd like to draw the attention of this Lordship regarding the jurisdiction, Lordship, because this has come under 528 Lordship. This petition has come under 528 Lordship for passing Lordship, but it should have come under 438 for revision Lordship. As per the this order Lordship, the Supreme Court, I have some citation Lordship regarding the revision provision Lordship.
Yes. No, but basically your submission is that this court doesn't have the.
Lordship, actually revision Lordship, because this is not entirely interlocutory order Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Because this is Jimma Lordship, this is seizing of property Lordship. So it should have come under 438 actually. So because in the this present citation Lordship, there's a para 9 and 10. May I, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, in the para 9 Lordship, it is observed that in any case, after perusing the various judgments which are brought to the attention of this court. This court is of the view that orders passed under Section 451 of CRPC, which is now present 497 of BNSS, cannot be characterized as an interlocutory order essentially. It depends upon the property seized and properties produced before the court. Some may lose its value by passage of time, some may perish due to the exposure to the rain and sun or due to the interest of time, and in such event, the magistrate empowered to dispose of property pending finalization or trial. In such circumstances, it should be considered the order to be passed under 451 of CRPC. It almost like final order touching upon valuable right to property of the petitioner. Any decision rendered by the courts exercising under power under Section 451 of the CRPC will affect the right of the petitioner to have his property returned, and in such circumstances, to turn the petitioner away on the ground that the revision case is not maintainable will not secure the ends of justice. More such order passed under Section 451 of the CRPC are also not appealable. There are 10 lawsuits. For the above such reasons, this court is more inclined to accept the decision of various high courts, which held that the revision is maintainable against the order passed under Section 451 of CRPC, as the same is not interlocutory in nature, but such order determines the constitutional right of the petitioner for return of properties or for disposing of property. Because in the impugn order also, Lordship, wherein the presiding officer, Lordship, has passed this order under 497 read with 503 of BNSS. The 497 is the order of custody disposal of property pending trial in the certain cases. When the
Let's see 497.
yes, Lordship, 497 disposal of property, Lordship, it is chapter 36, Lordship.
So then if 497 order is passed,
Yes, Lordship. Read with the 503, Lordship.
503.
Yes, BNSS procedure by police upon seizure of property.
That is my lord. Sorry for interruption, my lord. Here, while hearing the Zima petition, we are not like parties. And now that this order is affected by holding, our account has been held and we are doing daily business. But due to this impugned order, my lord, by our business is paralyzed. We are not the party in the criminal case.
So, I mean, see, he is filing this petition under 528.
Yes.
Correct. And this order was passed in Jimma petition. And Jimma petition, if against an order of a Jimma
Yes,
petition,
Lordship.
where is the provision? You cannot file a revision petition there.
Lordship, that's why Lordship, I have submitted this Lordship authority Lordship, wherein the Lordship, it can be Lordship because the entirely not a this order is not an entirely interlocutory order.
No, it is not a final order also.
It Lordship because Lordship here Lordship the has been directed
No, no,
to
you tell me one thing.
yes Lordship,
If a Jimma petition is allowed,
yes Lordship.
then
That should have come before the court in the revision Lordship because we have to call all the records Lordship. If the revision Lordship is today is they should have come for revision Lordship, then we call for the records, entire records.
but he was not party in the in the Jimma
Lordship,
petition.
because here this in the order Lordship, it is reflected that see this is versus state of AP Lordship. In the this Lordship, in the provision also Lordship, where the procedure by the police upon seizure property, when the police has seized the property and the report been submitted to the magistrate, then the Lordship 503 BNSS is upon the magistrate that under the provision he has the right to Lordship to take the order and things be reflecting the disposal of the property Lordship. So his authority is there to Lordship to dispose the Lordship, Lordship entirety Lordship, this trial Lordship. Here Lordship in the mayor Lordship for 503 what is say Lordship. Procedure by 503 of the BNSS. Procedure by police upon seizure of the property. Whenever the mayor Lordship,
Yes.
whenever the seizure of property by any police officer reported to a magistrate under the provision of this Sahinta, and such property is not produced before a criminal court during an inquiry or trial, the magistrate may make such order as he thinks fit, respecting the disposal of such property or the delivery of such property to the person entitled to the possession thereof, or if such person cannot be ascertained, respecting the custody and production of such property.
So let us do one thing.
Yes,
See,
sir.
I mean, as far as maintainability part, I don't think we have much of a ground. Because it's a Jimma petition wherein without, I mean, some accounts which were being frozen
Lordship.
and from there during the pendency, the amount was, the investigation is not complete as yet.
See, the report Lordship,
The police report
yes,
is
Lordship.
there, police report is there, but investigation is still going on. And you have allowed, the learned court has allowed this money to be taken back under the Jimma petition. So he doesn't have any other provision but to come under 528.
Lordship, or he could have come under 438 also Lordship.
528 also he can come. I mean,
This like inherent power Lordship, he
Yes.
come, but it is provisions dear Lordship, he can come in that way also.
we can do one thing. See, there is no point going on and on. So we can do one thing. We can issue notice. Correct.
Lordship.
And that maintainability part, you can keep it open. You can
Yes,
argue.
yes, Lordship.
You can argue in the next
Yes, Lordship.
next this thing.
Hello, dear.
And Lordship, then
Mainly
the records may be called
account
and the
which-
entire case diary also may be called for that.
Yes,
for
that-
the
that has to be
transparency
called
of
for.
the, yes, Lordship.
There is to call.
Yes, sir.
Now, at this stage, my lord, I want this. Notice may be issued to the parties, and then case diary CD
Yes, Lordship.
may be called from the court below.
No, case diary with TCR will be required. Probably.
Yes.
Or the case diary with
TCR as well as the case diary Lordship.
TCR as well
Yes,
as the
Lord.
case diary.
Because Lordship, as per he has some
The scan copy of TCR will do.
yes, both Lordship as well as the case
Case
diary.
diary,
also.
all scan copies.
Yes, Lordship.
Correct. And as far as
And notice go to the other parties also Lordship, the respondent party.
the notice has to go.
Yes,
Notice has to go.
Then, my lord, I have a small interim prayer.
No, it's mentioned. No.
My lord, even the professional fee also withhold. Then, my lord, one of the petitioner number 2
is running the supply of the.
No, that you will,
school uniforms and all
that
these
you can
things are
argue
also-
later. At this stage, no. At this stage, no. I'm just issuing the notice. At this stage, no impairment. Please take it down. Heard, Mr. So
M. Bozele.
M. Bose, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioners. Also heard MS
El Hage.
Nhage, Learned APP for the state respondent. State respondent number 1. The petitioners, the case that has been projected by the petitioner is that one FIR dated, an FIR was lodged before the Itanagar police station, before the officer in charge, Itanagar police station, by one Srimati Bengia Yanang, proprietor of MS Takum Enterprise, resident of D sector Itanagar, on 7th October 2025. 24. Realizing that a person named Harishankar Pandey met her introducing himself as brokers who can provide donation to NGOs. It was further alleged that said Harishankar Pandey will get her NGO a donation of rupees 18 crores from a company, and out of which she has to give the company back rupees 12 crores, and the rest of the money can be used by her. Getting such a proposal, initially she denied for any kind of arrangement, but finally she agreed to get into such kind of an arrangement, since one of her relatives who runs another NGO by name Sanglang Multipurpose Cooperative Society Private Limited had also agreed to get into such agreement. Next para. It was further alleged that in the month of August 2024, the aforesaid Harishankar Pandey told her that the company that company has agreed to finance her and requested for rupees 2,50,000 rupees for paperwork. The informant accordingly transferred rupees 2,50,000 to the account number of one Kumari Renu in bracket who is in bracket who Harishankar Pandey claimed to be his wife. You can write down the account number also. The account number is not on 22/8/2024. We should the aforesaid Harishankar Pandey then told her to make a demand draft of rupees 12 crore in the name of one Messrs. Smart PSP Private Limited in bracket account number 502000091186 comma HDFC Bank bracket complete. And once the money is transferred into the informant's NGO account, the company will give her NOC and then he will collect the demand draft accordingly. It was alleged that the money never came to the informant's account. Hence, the informant got the said demand draft cancelled. The said Harishankar Pandey gave her an excuse that due to some technical difficulties, the money could not be transferred by the company to her account. Then again, on 22/9/2024, the said Harishankar Pandey, along with another accomplice, who introduced himself as Mahavir Shah, in bracket representative from the company, came to Itanagar and informed the informant that a green signal has been received from the company, and that is why he has been accompanied by the representative of the company. Therefore, Harishankar Pandey asked the informant to prepare 3 DDs of rupees 4,90,000 rupees.
4 crore.
4 crore 90 lakhs by DD number 858848 dated 25/9/2024 in favor of Lurul Enterprises, and rupees 4 crore 90 lakhs DD number 858849 dated 25/09/2025 in favor of Messrs. I.K. Soibam and Sons, I capital K capital SOIBAM and Sons, and rupees 2 crore 20 lakhs by DD number 858854 dated 25/09/2024 in favor of Jasmine Black Gold. Gold. But as agreed before, as agreed before, any confirmation, the original as but as agreed before, any confirmation, the original instrument will be kept with the informant, and only on the confirmation, the same will be handed over to them. After preparation of the DD, the staff of the informant sent a photo of the DD, sent the photos of the DDs to Mahavir Sir, the representative of the company, complete, and asked him to facilitate the transfer of the amount to the NGO account, run by that itself. It is alleged that both Harishankar Prasad and Mahavir Shah left Canada roughly on 27/9/2024 with Harishankar Pandey saying that his wife had suffered a heart attack and he had to urgently leave. They further gave its phone number of another executive of their company. Prabhakar Tiwari, and told the informant that the money will be credited in a week or so. The informant further alleged that after waiting for 11 days, as there was no confirmation coming as per the transfer of the money, and nothing has been received in the NGO bank account, she went to the bank on 5/10/2024 for cancellation of the aforesaid DDs, as the original DDs were still lying with her. But when she visited the bank, she got shocked that two of the draft bearing number 858854 and 858849 respectively have already been withdrawn by the aforesaid two persons, namely Harishankar Pandey and Mahavir Shah, from the bank from a bank at Meghalaya and Imphal on 30/9/2024 and 01/10/2024 respectively. However, she could cancel the draft number 858848. Thereby, she alleged that she had been cheated with fitted with a sum of rupees 7 crore 10 lakhs. She alleged that those amounts, the aforesaid amount have been withdrawn by the accused persons, namely Harishankar Pandey and Mahavir Prasad, with the connivance of the bank authorities by forging the bank draft and counterfeiting the seal of bank authorities, etc. By creating false documents in favor of Messrs. I.K. Soibam and Sons and Jasmine Black Gold. Full stop, huh? Then in the next paragraph. In view of the aforesaid FIR, which is the case number?
Jima,
No, Jima, no. That after the FIR police case.
police case, GR case is there, madam.
Huh?
GR case number,
After the filing of the FIR, which case?
GR case number 1035 of 24. That is in the 136, there's 136. Ita PS case number 183 of
No, FIR number so and so under section so and so.
and GR case number
In view of the above FIR, where is the GR case number?
Page 136.
Huh?
Page 136. In order.
and in this impugn order, see,
View of the FIR, ITA PS case number 183, public 24, under section 61 bracket 2, comma 318 bracket 4, comma 336 bracket 2, comma 336 bracket 3, 340 bracket 1, comma 340 bracket 2, comma 341 bracket 1, comma 341 bracket 2, and stroke 339 BNS. Was registered. You can write in bracket GR number 1025 or 24. I'll just correct that. The arising little bit of thing I have to correct. Okay, I'll do it later. So basically, it will be GR number 1035 arising out of ITA PSK.
Yes, sir.
So that has to be that I'll do it. after the police investigation in the matter in GR case number so and so, that number I have given. So during the we have the JIMA application here. No.
No, madam. I have only got the order, this order, impugn order.
Is there any charge sheet file here?
Here no record lordship. There's only.
Do you have any idea?
No, I still not yet filed charge.
Huh?
Not yet filed.
Not yet filed.
Not yet.
But even though lordship, if a presiding officer has passed order lordship under 497 of BNSS, then it could be considered as a final lordship because regarding the that property lordship. Because
No, that's
lordship,
what I say.
Yes,
That this
lordship.
maintainability part will keep it.
yes, lordship.
Don't worry, we'll keep it.
Yes, yes.
We'll hear you because at this stage, like I mean, the whole day will go.
Yes, lordship.
During the investigation, one JIMA application number no, not don't write during the investigation. The police investigation is still on in the incident case, and as submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner, the charge sheet is yet to be filed in the matter. In the meantime, the JIMA application number 32/24 under section 497, read with section 503 BNSS has been filed by
Bengia Sunday.
one Bengia Sunday,
This is Mirror, son of the.
who is the son of the informant. For releasing certain amounts which is lying in different accounts in Imphal. Actually, without that application, I don't have any material. What was actually the prayer?
That is one problem. But then
You should have annexed that because I don't know now what was the prayer made there. Now you cut that, you write.
that is my lord,
Right,
this is reflected present amount of rupees 3 crore.
That I can see, but like what was the prayer, how it has been dealt with, that I'm not getting anything from here. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that a JIMA application number 32 of 24, 32 of stroke 24 under section 497, read with section 503 BNSS was referred by Sri Bengia Sunday, who is the son of the informant, and on the basis of a police report dated police report dated 22nd November 2024. The learned trial court. The learned trial court, that is the Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class UPR, District Papampare, Arunachal, has allowed allow the JIMA application, aforesaid JIMA application by directing the respective bank branch managers mentioned in Annexure 1 and 2 of the police report to release the amount frozen in their banks in connection with the instant case in favor of the rightful owner applicant, Sri Vengya Sande, bearing SBI account number 417-637-48442, Canada branch. The learned counsel for the petitioners submit that the petitioner number 1 and 1 to 5 no way connected to the offense, are neither connected to the offense nor their names have been mentioned in the FIR. Full stop. He submits that though their accounts were frozen, the learned trial court, without hearing them, passed an order directing the release of the money lying in the accounts. Full stop. This is your submission more or less. At this stage, you can argue later on.
Then, as part this impugned order, though we are not connected or involved with the criminal case, our own business account, which is opened in the Axis Bank, Indian State, SBI, has been withheld by the bank authority.
That at this stage, you can't do anything on this.
It will go to the record, it will find out whether they're connected or not.
MS
Kalage.
they appeared on behalf of the respondent state, and she submitted that this instant petition is not maintainable because the order passed by the learned trial court is of final nature.
Under
The
497.
order passed by this by the trial court is under 497.
And where is the will affect the right of the petitioner to have its own property, so it can be termed as a final order also.
No, 497, and so the order can be termed as a final order. And for challenging the final order, the learned the petitioner should have approached this court under a revision petition rather than filing a the petition under 582. Correct? BNSS.
528.
Sorry, 528 BNSS. Any more submissions here?
Lordship, then Lordship, if the today is admitting this petition, then call for the scan copy of the Thai court record address the case there, Your Lordship.
My lord, here only police cases report is there. SK Shoivam
No, that
and so
will
on.
see
You know,
that
this money has
Mr.
been transferred to
Mr.
the
Counsel, that has to be looked into. See, it's a complicated thing. It's not very simple way. So it has to be examined properly.
The record will reveal.
Record has to be there and it has to be examined. Issue notice returnable within 4 weeks. MS so and so learned APP has since MS so and so appears for respondent number 1 So notice,
Definitely, respondent will take step by the,
you are already, so your notice is not required.
no, for me, it's not required.
Hmm.
Other rest of.
So C appears, so notice is not required, then the petitioner, the counsel for the petitioner will take steps to serve notice by registered post with AD as well as under usual course to respondent number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 within a period of 3 days. Full stop. Extra copy of the petition can be served on. You need the extra copy.
It's not required also. I have already.
Registry is directed to call for the scanned copies of PCR as well as the case diary. Case diary, he will give her the.
No, I will, will, quickly office will produce also.
No. So direct the registry to call for the TCR.
Scan
From the-
copy of PCR.
Huh?
Scan copy
Scan
of
copy of the TCR from the court of
GMFC, UPR.
CGM code UPR.
GMFC.
JMFC.
JMC UPR. Then scan copy of the CD
Yeah, for the
will be
PPO.
produced by the office of the PP on the next date of listing.
Yeah.
List the matter after 4 weeks.
All right, no.
And maintainability part, like you wanted to.
Yes, no.
Then as far as maintainability of the petition,
It's kept open on.
the learned APP can argue the issue on the next date of hearing. List this matter after 4 weeks.
Right.
Item number 4.
My pleasure.
I'm extremely sorry, like, I mean, I had to
Well-
keep you waiting. So you wanted some time on this.
Madam, it's okay, ma'am.
Oh.
We're ready, ma'am.
But we were praying is Malada notice may be issued at this stage, Malada, since Lanet brother is Malada having some urgency in Arab matter. Now that has been resolved, Malada.
You are Mr.
M. Kato, Malada.
M. Kato
Marco.
appearing for the
Petitioner,
appearing for the petitioner. And you are Mr.
L Kurdu, madam.
L.
L Kurdu.
Very good. Do appear.
Yes. S50 SIT, ma'am.
Respondent number.
Okay.
Correspondent number 1.
So and so appears.
My lord, may I pray one thing, my lord? This post cycle will be corrected, madam. This
That I
SIT
do.
is not mentioned in the
Mm-hmm.
respondent number 1, madam.
Yes.
SIT is not mentioned, reflected in the.
Malada, that I'll correct it. Respondent number 1 is to be represented by the SPP.
Then how can you take up this matter?
My lord, this matter was because investigated by the madam SIT only.
Then SIT has to be made a party.
Yes.
No, Malad, state is correct, Malad.
Hmm.
This is all together, Malad, the state
Hmm.
case.
Hmm.
But only, Malad, the public prosecutor, Malad, special public prosecutor should be more. I'll put
State
Malad.
of Arunachal throw special public.
Yes, Malad. That is special only to be, Malad.
Okay.
That I'll correct it by hand.
Special public prosecutor SIT.
Yes, item.
So and so appears
Yes.
for the petitioner. Mr. So and so APA Learned Council appears for the respondent number 1. What is the case all about?
Malad,
What is the case all about?
Malad, interview was conducted by the Malad, the Department of Education, Malad, for filling up on certain posts. Then, Malad, in that case, many Malad altogether, Malad, the 2,000 to 3,000 candidates applied, Malad. Wherein, Malad, some of the candidates has submitted the fake documents, Malad, that was not correctly
So
verified.
allegation was that on
Yes,
that,
Malad.
that without verifying proper
Verifying that,
proper
exactly,
documents,
that was,
So I'll pass the order.
Malad.
Okay. I'll just briefly note
Yes,
that what is the.
Yes, ma'am.
Then issue notice, returnable within 4 weeks. And the council for the petitioner will take steps of service of notice to respond.
Respondent number one.
Number
Two, sorry, two.
Respondent number 2 with registered AV as well as in usual course. Full stop. He's already present, so his notice is dispensed with that you write. Then list this matter after 4 weeks.
Well,
Then one more thing that you write, before listing this, you write that as submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner, there's a small correction has to be made in the cost title.
by indicting matter.
Cost title, and he is allowed to correct the cost title by handwritten. You do it
Yes.
here by
Small
writing
correction.
the correction by putting the correct word.
Yes.
Correct word bracket special before public prosecutor, before the court master. This court
Yes.
master list it after 4 weeks. That say I'll just correct little bit of the order.
Yes.
The factual part I'll just
Yes.
put in because I don't have much time.
It is in absence, Malan also it is given. And Malan, this Malan, Peria Malan. Till such time, Malan, since they are the teacher, Malan, serving in the various department. So, Malan, may I predict, Malan, till such time, Malan, that no, Malan, the proceeding.
Yeah, not
Bec-
to not to next date you.
Malan, otherwise, if notice are issued, then they have to appear before the Malan trial court. So, till such time, Malan, the appearance of the Malan,
No, that will be
proceedings.
difficult to do.
Then I will have a question.
Then you'll have to, no, not at this stage.
Perhaps basically my case has been made up against the case.
No, I've seen that case.
Yes, Malan.
So, not at this stage. I will not record anything on that.
Malan, then in that case, Malan, that may be left open for Malan.
No, that will be,
Yes.
that you can argue.
Yes. Develop.
Item number 11.
Item number 11.
Your Lordship, item number 11 and 12 can be taken up together because it is arising out of same FIR, Your Lordship. I have, Dada,
11 and 12.
11 and 12.
Dheeraj Pau and Prasan Kumar.
Yes. Sir. Your Lordship, I have received the status of the case, Your Lordship. Since the as per the investigation made, Your Lordship, it seems to be a case of civil nature, and therefore the investigation has closed the said case and filed their FR, Your Lordship, final report. So this AB becomes infructuous.
Investigation is closed.
Yes.
So we can dispose of this, maybe.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Or you want to withdraw this case?
In fact,
You can withdraw this case also because the police investigation has already been concluded. That has been intimated to you also by IOPA. That is
Yeah.
what it has been written.
orally, they have said, but not do anything.
Then I'll pass an order closing this, I'll just write little bit of this investigation report
Yes, sir.
and then I'll close it. To close it as withdrawn,
Yes, sir.
you write the names, your names. Mr.
You, Bori.
You boy for the petitioner and Jeannie for the here for the APP. Then I investigate, just write for my this thing, investigation is closed as the dispute is civil dispute. An FR has been filed. The applicant, the petitioner applicant would like to withdraw this. The prayer is allowed. Petition is dismissed as withdrawn. Just write that, I'll put the other things. Yes.
Item number 13.
Lordship, this is
You,
also
Yes.
this is a regular bail application. The FIR is in page number 14, Your Lordship. Page 14.
scan copy is there.
No, Lordship, we didn't receive CD, Lordship.
He hasn't received CD.
Next statement.
Mr. So-and-so appears on behalf of the petitioner. Mr. D. Loy, PP appears for the state respondent. Mr. Loy submits that the scanned copy of the case diary is yet to be received. And he prays for how much time we require now? Because
Next week, Lordship.
Huh?
Next week.
Like fix that maybe.
he prays for a week's time to submit the scanned copy of the case diary. The prayer is allowed. Let this matter be fixed on.
Even on Lordship. Be it on 28th, Lordship.
28,
Yes.
not 28, before that.
For 26th, Lordship.
Where is this matter on?
26th.
Either 25 or 26, Lordship.
On 26,
Yeah, Lordship.
or on 26.
Reply by.
Item number 15.
This also Lordship, this year.
Serious on this.
No.
May I please, Lordship?
Mr. So-and-so,
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, we had filed one IA
Huh.
praying for the suspension of the sentence. Your Lordship, the accused appellant
no,
is in.
CD will be required for this. I have gone through the case. CD will be, without CD, this, this cannot be considered, I know. The case there will be required.
Lordship, actually, the accused appellant is already in detention for more than 1 year. He was convicted
No,
and
correct, but I know he is there, but CD will be required in this case. It's a criminal appeal.
yes, Lordship.
Mr.
E. Payang.
E. Payne appears on behalf of the petitioner. Mr. D. Loy appears, learned PP appears for the respondent state. Mr. D. Loy submits that the scanned copy of the PCR is yet to be received. received. I have also seen the office note dated 18/8/2025, which says that PCR not yet received. In view of the above, let the registry may remind the learned trial court to send the PCR at the earliest. Please this matter after 2 weeks.
Item number 16.
May I please, Lordship?
Item number 16. Service report on 2/2/16 not received as yet.
Yes, Lordship.
So we will take press service or we'll wait for
Lordship. Some time may be given, Lordship.
sometime maybe.
Yes.
Learned so and so appears for the petitioner and he submits that as per the service report, notice of service in respect of respondent number 2/2/16 is yet to be received. I have also seen the office note dated 18/8/2025, which 25, which says that a service report is yet to be received in respect of respondent number 2/2/16. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks. The MS so and so appears for
Stateless.
for the state respondent.
Obligations.
Please do it after 2 weeks.
Item number 17.
Yes, Lordship, in this case, I'm for the petitioner, Lordship, and as per the direction of this honorable court, we have taken a step toward justice service, Lordship. To the
The affidavit is filed today.
yes,
When? Today you have filed it?
yes, Lordship. Additional affidavit I have filed. The notice has been received by the wife of the respondent number 5.
Additional affidavit on what? Okay, that's the
Yes,
learned so and so, Mr. So and so learned counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner submits that an additional affidavit for service of justice to the respondent number 5 has been filed today. That is on. You have signed it on when? Filed in today. The affidavit is kept on record. Service is complete in the matter.
yes, Lord.
Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks
Yes, Lordship.
for admission. This is CRP,
We are
right?
yet to file affidavit.
You haven't filed.
We have not filed affidavit
You are appearing for
for the respondent number 1 and 2.
this MS so and so learned counsel appearing on behalf of respondent 1 and 2 has submitted that they are yet to file an affidavit in opposition in the matter. Therefore, she prays 2 weeks time to file an affidavit in opposition in the matter. Prayer is allowed. Why 3 weeks? Okay, she prays for 3 weeks time to file an affidavit in opposition in the same matter. Prayer is allowed. List this matter after 4 weeks.
Yes, Lordship. And Lordship, this honorable court has passed order.
Interim order is
yes,
there.
Yes, Lordship.
Interim order so passed.
It may be
earlier.
the same, Lordship. Yes. On
Interim
12/3/25.
order so passed by this court. 1 second. Which date?
12/3/25.
Hmm?
12/3/25.
Interim order so passed by this court on 12 2025 is extended till the next date of hearing. Till the net date fixed. Date of last.
Item number 18,
Service report,
Yes,
not received as yet.
I may be allowed to take a fresh step then, my lord.
We'll take prescripts.
Yes.
Mr. So and so, your name?
G. Ingo,
G. Ingo.
Ingo.
Mr. G. Ingo Learned Counsel for the petitioner. No. Mr. G. Ingo appears for the petitioner. It is seen from the office note dated 18/2025 that service report stroke AD card in respect of respondent numbers 1 and 2 is yet to be received. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be allowed to take fresh steps on respondent number 1 and 2.
And my lord may allow me to take a dusty service also, because they are respondent, they are from remote areas.
Okay. He paid also allowed to take service of notice on respondent number 1 and 2 by registered post with AD, as well as by way of dusty service on respondent number 1 and 2.
And my lord may allow me to make a little submission regarding this case, my lord. As my lord, this case
This case is, I mean, service has not come. Now what is the point of hearing you?
in the last during the admission time, I have prayed for interim, but it was interim for setting aside
The interim, I'm not going to hear you now. Let the service be completed. This has come for orders. It says issue notice on issue notice on interim prayer also.
Yes,
Returnable after 4 weeks.
yes, ma'am.
So you haven't sub. I mean, the notice is not yet sub. So let's wait for something.
Okay.
Then what have I written? Registered AD as well as this AD, 1 and 2. Let the matter be listed after 4 weeks, because it will take some time. No?
Yes,
After 3 weeks.
After 3 weeks on in September 20, if your honor is
So
possible.
after
then.
3 weeks it will come.
Okay.
It will after 4 weeks. September 20 is after 4 weeks. After 4 weeks.
item number 21,
My lordship, my senior is court number 2 for hearing. So matter may be possible on Monday. This is last notice.
As prayed for by so and so, learned counsel appearing on behalf of his senior, Mr.
Titapak.
Titapak. The matter is adjourned for a week. Learned APP, Chini, learned APP, I'm sorry. Learned APP appears on behalf of the state respondent, and she doesn't have any objection to the prayer made the other thing. Prayer made on behalf of the petitioner. Prayer is allowed, listed after it.
Problem.